Hello viewers, in our my student class video, we are going to see about mathematical view of bitwise operator in C. So in our previous session, we have seen about bitwise operator not. So in this session, now we are going to see about double lesser than symbol, which means bitwise left shift. So for that, we are going to use the symbol double lesser than symbol in our program. So now we have taken two variable for this operator. So I have taken x and y as two variable, and we have assigned a value for that as 11 for x and 7 for y. Now we are going to apply this double lesser than symbol for the variable x and y. While we are done this process in our program, we would execute it with the value of 1408. So how it's happened? Behind of this also we are having a mathematical view. Now we just look over that. So we have taken two variables of x and y. So we are going to find x lesser than y. So our x value is 11 and our y value is 7. So x lesser than is equal to, so 11 lesser than 7. So now we want to convert this decimal value to binary value. So 11 should be converted into what? A binary value. So we are going to do continuous division by 2. So we are going to take the reminders and we would write it as bottom to top. So our x value will be 1011. So we are going to take this as 4-bit only. So 4 patterns we are going to take a 4 pattern bit as x is equal to 1011. Now I am going to apply what? X lesser than y is equal to binary value of 11 1011 and lesser than 7. So now we are going to add 7 zeros after this binary. So after this binary we are going to add 7 zeros. So that will be our x double lesser than y. It will be our left shift value. So our x double lesser than y will be 1011 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. So this is our value. Now this is in what process? It is in binary value. We want to change binary value to decimal. Now we are going to take a concept of converting binary to decimal. For that we are going to take our x double lesser than y, that's left shift value is what? 1011 and 7 zeros. After this we are going to take 7 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this is our x double lesser than y is equal to this. So this is our value. Now we are going to change this into what? A decimal value for by using this concept. So now we are going to take so this as 2 power 0 and this as 2 power 1 and this 2 power 2. So this all multiplied with this. So 0 into 2 power 0, 0 into 2 power 1, 0 into 2 power 2 and 0 into 2 power 3 and 0 into 2 power 4 and 0 into 2 power 5, 0 into 2 power 6 and 1 into 2 power 7 and 1 into 2 power 8, 0 into 2 power 9 and 1 into 2 power 10. So like that we are written here. So 2 power 10 into 1 and 2 power 9 into 0, 2 power 8 into 1, 2 power 7 into 1. So like that we have written here. So this is a concept and we are going to add that. So this will be added and the total of this will be the value of what? Double lesser than symbol. That means x left shift value, xy's left shift value will be executed. So now we know that 2 power 10 is 1024. So 1024 into 1 we will get 1024, and 2 power 9 into 0. So anything that multiply with 0 is 0. So we have written as 0 here. And 2 power 8 is 256 into 1, so 256, and 2 power 7 is 128 into 1, so 128. So this all multiplies with 0, so this will be written as 0. So now we are going to add this. So while we are adding this, we will execute with we will get with the value of 1408. So this is our left shift value. So this is the mathematical calculation that's behind our left shift operator. So that we will execute it with our output as 1408. Now we are going to execute this through our program. So left shift bitwise through C program. So we have taken our header files, and we have declared a variable x and y as integer data type. So we have printed with the message of bitwise operator, and we have sent a message to user to get the value of x and y through what scanf process. So we have sent enter the value of 11 through scanf. The user will type what 11, and we are getting a value for y same as through scanf as 7. So our x value will be 11 and our y value will be 7. Anything you can give. We are taken as 11 and 7. So now we are going to execute a value of x double lesser than y is equal to. So now we will be executed with our answer with the statement of value of x double lesser than y is. So the value will be executed as what? 1408. So our execution will be, so it has printed a statement for a note bitwise operator, and it has get a value for x from the user and get a value for y from the user as 11 and 7. At last it execute with the value 1408. So this program is very easy. We are getting a value from a user, and just we are executing the value of what? Left shift through our program. So behind of this we have seen a mathematical work. So in that process only the program is executing. So it is very useful for program developers, because while we are in the field of program developing, so we should also be concentrate and be note in our logical and mathematical side of our program. So we should know what's the behind of this program, some mathematical and logical works. So from this till now we have seen a left shift operator. So in our upcoming video we would see about right shift and or XOR and etc. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my student class YouTube channel. Thank you viewers.